Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Albert Schweitzer. Are you ready to unlock the door to financial success? Are you eager to improve your financial habits and grow your wealth? Stick around till the end, and get ready to transform your financial future. Number 1. Pay yourself first. Let's start with a fundamental habit that can revolutionize your financial journey: paying yourself first. Imagine you're at a restaurant, and the waiter brings the bill before you even taste your meal. It seems strange, right? The same principle applies to your finances. Set aside a portion of your income for savings or investments before paying your bills. Treat it as an essential expense, just like your rent or utility bills. By doing this, you prioritize your financial future and ensure that you're building wealth over time. Number 2. Track your expenses. Do you know where your money goes each month? Tracking your expenses is crucial for understanding your spending habits and making necessary adjustments. It's like having a GPS system for your finances. Start by creating a budget and categorize your expenses. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back or optimize. There are plenty of budgeting apps available that can make this process easier. Remember, the small leaks in your finances can add up over time. So stay vigilant and plug those leaks. Number 3. Diversify your income. Relying solely on a single income source is like putting all your eggs in one basket. To truly grow your wealth, it's important to diversify your income. Think of it as having multiple streams of water flowing into your financial pool. This could involve investing in stocks, real estate, or starting a side business. By diversifying your income, you create a safety net and open doors to new opportunities. Embrace the power of multiple revenue streams, and watch your wealth grow exponentially. Number 4. Invest wisely. Investing is not just for the wealthy or finance experts. It's a smart financial habit that anyone can adopt. Picture investing as planting seeds in a garden. By choosing the right investments and giving them time to grow, you can reap the benefits of compound interest. Learn about different investment options like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Educate yourself, seek professional advice if needed, and start early. Remember, time is your best friend when it comes to investing. So don't wait. Number 5. Continuous learning. Financial intelligence is a lifelong journey. The more you learn, the more you earn. Make it a habit to invest in your financial education. Read books, follow financial blogs, listen to podcasts, or attend seminars. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who can inspire and challenge you. The world of finance is constantly evolving, and by staying informed, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions and seize opportunities when they arise. Remember, it's not about overnight success, but about making small changes that compound over time. Implement these habits into your life and watch your financial future flourish. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Triumph Tactics, for more valuable content on personal finance and success. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, stay motivated and keep growing.